What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy J-Rob, man, back in action with another one, baby. Finna react to Bernie Mac, Tired of the Hookup, man. Oh, man, Bernie Mac. Know we miss you, big dog. A legend, man. One of the funniest people to ever live. But before we get to this, man, as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified for when your boy upload. Because I do so consistently, man. Y'all know that. With that being said, though, we're finna go ahead and get into this. Bernie Mac, Tired of the Hookup, King of Comedy. Put on my headphones, the truth. We gonna do what it do. Let go.
No, I'm tired, man. I'm sick, man. I was on Peachtree. There's so many peach trees in this motherfucker. I don't know where to tell you where I was. I'm so tired, man. These motherfuckers with these wheelchairs in these motherfucking clubs. What the fuck is up with this shit here? This motherfucker got a glove, cut off fingers and shit. Upper body strong than a motherfucker. You gotta take him to the damn floor and wipe his mouth every goddamn 15 minutes.
Hey, bro, he's stupid.
Plegic ass in the motherfucking crib.
Plegic, bro.
Stupid son of a bitch. Come by me, I'll take the brake off your motherfucking wheelchair. Sit you on the escalator, you motherfucker.
Sit you on the escalator,
motherfucker. Tired of stupid shit.
Bernie Mac, wow.
I got a dream. I'm tired of that motherfucking speech. I had a dream. If I hit that motherfucker one more time, I'm cutting my goddamn hair off. Somebody else write a goddamn dream. Shit. One day, we ain't gonna see it. Black folk gonna always beg, hook me up. I'm tired of the fucking hookup. Look out for a motherfucker. Look out for your goddamn self. Stinking son, bitch. No, I said for you. You tired too, you scared. You tired of black folks begging. I got a dream that one day black folks gonna quit acting like crabs in the barrel.
For real, bro.
That one day fat women gonna stop wearing their belly out and shit.
Hey,
I got a dream that one day black folks gonna give head without talking.
Bruh.
Am I doing the right shit? Suck it. Don't talk, suck it. Talk afterwards.
Hold up, bro.
Black folks gonna give head without talking. Am I doing the right shit? Suck it. Don't talk, suck it.
His eyes, bro. Don't talk, suck it. Look what she did with her mouth.
Talk afterwards.
You talking about, hey, she know that personally.
You so fuck nigga, I don't talk like you pussy. There's a time and place for every goddamn thing. I got a dream. I got a whole bunch of motherfucking dreams I can tell here tonight. I'm tired of walking down the street, some motherfucking man all on the concrete.
Wow, Bernie crazy as hell, bro.
Motherfucking healthy than a motherfucker. I came on, I kicked him. What's wrong with you?
Oh, nothing.
Why don't you get up, brother?
Oh, it's Bernie Mac.
Yeah, man. What the fuck you down on the concrete for?
I'm tired.
Fuck you tired from? What you do?
Nothing.
How the fuck you know when you're done then, you motherfucker, you? Man, don't let me be no man, man. I have a
How you know when you done then?
Bum, fuck him up on sight. Get a Hummer and knock his motherfucker down. Get a Hummer.
Bruh.
Man, don't let me be no man, man. I have an ordinance. Any bum, fuck him up on sight.
Dude.
Get a Hummer and knock his motherfucker down.
Bruh. Oh my God.
Oh, bullshit. See, ever since the King of Comedy come out, you know, black folk count your money. I done got all kind of phones up. You doing good. That mean they count your money. 35 million. 37 million. Like we split in 4 ways. See, that's what the motherfuckers think. Y'all doing good. Motherfucker ain't got no goddamn money. The fame come before the motherfucking force. I'm still a nigga. These suits, I gotta take back.
I'm still a nigga.
My daughter boyfriend, see, motherfucker, they got money. You know how motherfucker think you ain't never been young. Like you ain't never talked. Man, your girl, man, you better stay well. Old man doing good. You think I ain't never said no shit like that? Motherfucker come to my house all nice. I know a nigga. A nigga want something nice.
I know a
How you
nigga.
doing, sir? They talk right, motherfucker. Don't sir. Call me motherfucker like you be doing behind my back. I ain't no fool, man. Man, the motherfucker sitting up there, I wanna marry your daughter. I said, why the fuck you wanna marry? Look at me and tell me why the fuck you wanna marry my motherfucking daughter. Cause you think I got some goddamn money. Man, I'll fuck you up. You'll be all on the goddamn news. Bernie shot this motherfucker in the mouth. I keep a pistol. I ain't gonna bullshit. I'm a member of the IRS. I'll blow your motherfucking head off. I ain't gonna try to be nice. I wish he would touch my goddamn daughter. You'd be some yellow tape all around this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill
Bernie
that
crazy as hell.
I'm gonna go to the funeral and I'm gonna dig his ass up
God damn.
and re-kill that motherfucker again.
God damn.
Fuck that.
Oh my God, bro. And that shit about the bums always be cracking me up, bro. Any bum, fuck him up on sight. Get a hammer, get your motherfucking. Bro, Bernie always got me cracking up, dog. Ah, man, God bless the legend, man. God bless his spirit, dog. Man, thank God he left so much laughter for us behind to always watch and cherish, dog. It's a blessing, man. Whew. Hey, man, if you enjoyed that, man, don't forget to leave a like, comment, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified for when your boy upload. Because I do so consistently, baby. Y'all know that. With that being said, man, I think I still got some chicken on my lip. I got some... No, I'm good. I'm going straight. I got no chicken on my lip. All right. With that being said, remember to stay blessed, never stress. Remember to always do your very best. Live, love life. Because why? Life is beautiful. That's why. All right, y'all, man. It's your boy, J-Rock. And I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. Deuces. Wow.